Bharat, how are you? Please switch. Hello. Hello. Is it audible now? Please speak out. Please speak out. 1 minute. Yeah. Please speak. Bharat. Bharat. Yeah. Please connect to your audio. Audio connect कर लीजिए. Yeah. Bharat. Bharat, your audio is not connected. Chat. Hello. Audio is not connected. Hello. M- My mic is working. Hello. Bharat, can you hear me? Can you hear me? You switch on your mic, your speaker. Switch on your speaker. Chat participant. My video is going, your video is there, and you have not, hello, your audio is not seen. Your audio is not seen. That is, your mic is not seen. Your video is there. Now, please unmute. Please unmute.
Yeah, done, sir.
Good.
Sorry, sir, I'm using for the first time, so I was not aware of it.
It's okay. Bharat, very good. Nice to see you. You are from
Yeah.
which place?
So I basically belong from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Good. Today
Yeah.
is, what is today's date?
So it's today's 24th July.
Correct. Good. Bharat, your real name is Bharat only?
Yeah, my full name is Bharat Chandra Apat.
Very good. Now, which degree did you complete?
I have completed bachelor's in computer science engineering.
You completed Bachelor of Computer Science. Which year did you complete?
I have completed in 2015.
15. Acha, good.
Yeah.
After that, where were you working?
After that, I was working in Bangalore for nearly 2 to 3 years, and after that, I came to Patna for preparation.
Acha, you were working in, instead of telling Bangalore, you can mention the name of the company. What is the name of the company?
First, I have worked on two companies. First of all, I worked in a No Broker. It was a real estate one, and the second one was a US firm company. That's a Cajun.
Okay, good. What was the nature of work you were doing in the US company?
My main it was a consulting firm. My role was to like recruit peoples for different organizations, for different companies, like for the big ventures, big companies like KPMG or like Capgemini.
No,
Big
no.
companies were there for
What
them.
was the nature of work you were doing? You were talking to people in America, or you were talking
Yeah,
to people in India? You are talking to people in America.
yeah, I was talking to them in America. So I
Asking
was having night shift daily.
asking them to buy, or what is it you were expecting from the American kind of people?
Like, sir, this was the kind of work like whenever we get the requirements from the companies which is looking for such candidates, they give the certain kind of like demands like we need a 8-year candidate who's having this type of skills. And after that, we served like in India, like Naukri is there, so there is a job diva is the job diva dice are there. So there I search peoples and we will get the contacts from there, and just we contacted them if they are available or free, or like what the hourly pay rate or the salary as per expectation they are looking for. And after knowing that everything, validating their visa, we just submit them to the particular company.
Oh, it's like a recruitment agency.
Yes, sir.
It was a recruitment agency. You were being paid in Indian value rupees or in terms of dollars?
No, we are paying in Indian rupees only.
Indian rupees only. Here, in fact,
Yes, sir.
my daughter is also working in a similar company in Canada, and
Okay.
they have an office in Hyderabad where they pay a huge amount of salary, running to
Yes.
around say it's a good amount, say in 75,000, 1 lakh rupees salary and all they pay for the night shift for people to sit here and work for them. That's good. Now you
Yes.
resigned it in 2018.
Yes, sir. 2018.
Good. Since then, you have been preparing for government exams.
Yes, sir.
What are the exams you cleared for interview level?
So I've cleared, uh, sorry, IBPS SO, the Special IT Officer 1, and I've cleared EPFO SSA, I've cleared FCI AG Depot 3, and it is my fourth one, FCI Manager.
Acha. You have FCI AG3. What is that FCI AG3? It's a clerical post, isn't
As a,
it?
yeah, it's a
You
student
have been
post.
selected. You've already been selected.
Yeah, I am selected, and I have just given all the DB, all the details I have provided there.
Acha, you
Just
have
I'm waiting for the joining.
document verification is over.
Yeah, everything's done, sir.
Oh, fine, fine. Your case is also similar to that first candidate who took this FCI interview. His name is Saket Kumar. He is a engineer,
Yes,
agricultural
sir.
engineer. Yeah, similar to
I
that.
have seen, sir.
Yeah,
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 I have seen his video, sir.
yeah,
Yeah, he
yeah,
was
yeah.
good.
Good. So that means your cases are all very strong. You are appearing for which interview? Manager, general, or manager, movement,
So
something?
manager depot, manager
Man,
depot.
depot manager. Okay,
Yeah.
manager depot. Good. Very good. Very good. Now, um, what have you prepared for this? You are a member of our Telegram group, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
C12020 is the Telegram ID. I mean, you can become a member of that. And I think
Yeah, I'm
I've
member
given
only, sir.
link also. Today I posted a link giving you 4 files. Did you go through that?
Today I haven't reached, sir.
Today you have
Today,
not seen that. 1 minute. Today in Telegram कब पोस्ट किया? अच्छा, टेलीग्राम में पोस्ट नहीं हुआ ना क्या? Oh, sorry, I have forgotten. Perhaps I will post a link. I will post a link which will
yes.
give you 4 files. You know what are those files?
Okay,
I
sir.
will tell you. Number 1. Yeah. Number 1 is FCI. Oh, I have transferred everything to FCI interview folder. I have opened one folder and posted it there. FCI capsule for agri interview, FCI
Okay, sir.
depot staff manual, FCI handbook on movement operations, FCI management. This is a file I posted myself. Actually, it was for RBI, but it will be useful for general management questions. Then FCI manager interview questions. Then FCI most common interview questions. I think you must have read my manager interview questions. Yes or no?
Yes, I have completed that one. I have made notes also for that.
Very good. Now, can you talk to me on the role of a leader in an organization like FCI? You are becoming a manager of FCI depot. What is the
Yes.
role you think you have to play in order to get good results?
First of all, sir, being a leader, it's all about the, like it has having a four to five qualities. Like in a leadership, the person should be like a good motivator, a good mentor, and he should be good with communications. Like he can communicate with all the others and coordinate according to the work or methods what are going to take place to achieving a similar goal. And the most important thing is he must be trustworthy. Like whatever he is saying, he needs to believe others, like this is the truth and we need to go with this way only. And a total good planning and opportunity and having a good control may lead to a good leadership quality.
Good. Good. You must have a good control over the group also. Good, good.
Yes, sir.
How will you motivate your subordinates?
To motivate my subordinates with the simple things, like we will tell all the cons, like what are the good things if we'll do these things, and we will get the promotion soon, and like and we can done the work. If we will do the work on the particular time, then we will be relaxed. If not, at the last we will be like we'll be in a hectic and in a problem situations. So better to handle it in a proper way within a correct time. That's called smart work also, sir.
Acha, you were working in an organization where I think they would have kept you some targets and all. You were having some targets,
No, sir. There is no particular targets, but there was like in the whole night, I need to submit at least one candidate. That was
at
the
least
thing.
one candidate you have to submit. Acha, acha.
Yeah.
That was the requirement. Good, good, good. Very good.
Yes.
So here, of course, I'm not sure what is the nature of, say, targets and all they'll be having. Whether you have target or not, any depot will have lot of work,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
what are the works that is to be done in the case of a depot? Normally, we have not gone to FCI office. We have not
Yes,
seen
sir.
any FCI good depot.
Yes.
Imagine and
I do
talk.
have rough. Yes, sir. Sure, sure. Like first of all, a depot manager. Just he need to be a good storekeeper, and he need to like take all the precaution and action with according to the QC engineer and the laborers, and he need to assign all the schemes like for the other welfare schemes like BPL, APL, and Savala, and in pension schemes. And he need to like mentor and coordinate with all the employees and need to see like what kind of nature of work is going on, and he need to at least have a watch on micro level detail of the work in the field, and he need to carry all the records and regularly check the records and pass it to their superiors. And if any decision taken by him, he just acknowledges superiors like what was it.
Yeah. I think you are repeating more or less the same points which you told earlier for what is the expectation of a leader, etc. I think for this question, you can change it differently, where you can tell that the role of a manager will be to see that the stock is procured and they are stored properly, and maintenance of records is kept properly, and people perform their role, and all safety precautions are taken, something like that. I mean, you were
Yes, sir.
repeating,
I understand.
yeah, you were repeating general role of an officer again. But depot का अंदर में आने से I have not seen, but हम लगता है it will be having certain, there are some terminologies given in depot manual, उसको पढ़ लीजिए. Some
Yes, sir.
tires are being put, and goods are being, I mean the food items are being stored properly. वो कैसे करता
Yes.
है, and how pest control measures are taken, and how
Mm.
fire control or fire hazard devices are being taken care of. Likewise, आपका मन में you bring before you the depot, and imagine your manager, 100, I mean 50, hundreds of
Yes, sir.
people are working with you. Lot of godown में goods आता है जाता है. इस सिचुएशन को मन में रख के आप बात करने से तो अच्छा हो जाएगा. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think you have to go through that manuals. 3 or 4 manuals I have given. Please go through that
Okay.
manual and थोड़ा आपको idea मिलेगा. Now, what are the
Yes, sir, for sure.
objectives of FCI?
The There are following objects of FCI is like to uh, safeguard the interest of farmer by providing them effective support price, and uh, like saving a public distribution system and having storage buffer storage,
Hmm.
and buffer storage for looming, winding critical situations.
Actually, you have to mention about the effective price support operations for safeguarding
Yes,
the
sir.
interests of the farmers,
Yeah.
distribution of food grain throughout the country for PDS,
Yes, sir.
maintaining satisfactory level of operational and buffer stocks of food grains to ensure food security. Yeah, I think this you may have to tell it in different words. Same thing again and again. We are going to repeatedly
Yes, sir. And
speak about.
yes, sir.
Repeatedly, we are going to speak about this. Everything is available under About
Yes,
Us.
right.
Usme, what are the various important items that are there in the website of FCI? Excuse me.
Sorry, sir.
What are the various items that are available in fci.gov.in about us? उसका बाद में जाने से तो क्या क्या items आपको मिल रहा है देखा आपको? Did you
Yes,
go
sir.
through that?
Procurement. Yes, sir.
Procurement.
Procurement,
In fact, you can also bring it
storage.
if you are before a computer. You can bring before you and tell me absolutely. This is not a test.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I've seen, sir. There was certain things written like procurement. After that, storage. Then vigilance was there a moment, and many others were there. Like how they work, what the work
थोड़ा
profile
मन में
is.
थोड़ा ये सब पॉइंट को थोड़ा मन में रखना है. Procurement, storage,
Procurement, storage,
movement,
movement,
finance, sales,
finance, sales,
stocks, quality
stocks,
control, engineering, import and
engineering,
export, IR,
important
labor, IT, vigilance,
IT,
personnel,
vigilance,
purchase. These
personnel.
items are main items given therein. Apart from that, they have
Yes,
given employees corner, reports and publications, press releases, tenders, circulars, GST, RTI, gallery, etc. ये सबको अंदर में आप जाके देखना है इसका अंदर में क्या क्या है समझ गया
yes, sir.
ये
Yes,
पूरा
sir.
देखने से तो आपको पता हो जाएगा. Now tell
Yes,
me
sir.
is how IT is can be or is put into use in FCI. You have not gone to FCI, you have not seen that. You are a person connected with computer science. Yet, what
Okay.
areas of its operations can these computers be used in FCI?
So first of all, like whenever it comes the computers IT sector in any organization, it only like give a good impact and good results to the organization. For example, like we can link the Aadhaar card of the farmers with their lands, and we can pass on the message. Like as soon as the procurement process is going on, they will be get to know soon. And after in the online system, we will get a preventive vigilance and a physical assurance of a loss of stocks.
और भी थोड़ा elaborate करके बात कर सकते हैं. Now okay, what you have said is okay, but maybe आपका मन में सोच लीजिए. If I can think of it, I will say that as you rightly said, to keep in touch with the farmers and also
Okay.
to see records of these things to be maintained, records of procurement made, records of distributions being made, and contact with the head office or regional office or other level offices. So ये सबको कंप्यूटर का अंदर में ऑनलाइन में ब्रिंग आउट करने से
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
होगा. Like
Yes, sir.
in banking we have core banking solution. सुना है?
तो सुना है तो
Core banking
भूल गए.
solution. सुना है नहीं सुना
Yes,
है?
sir.
सुना
सुना
है?
है सर बट अभी
सुना है.
हाँ
What is core banking solution?
सर अभी रिसेंटली हमको उतने याद नहीं है सर इसका इसके लिए हम पढ़े थे प्रीवियसली पढ़े थे अभी उतना
What is
टच में
core
नहीं है
banking
सर
solution? बताइए.
राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट इन टच विद दैट सर अर्लियर आई स्टडीड इट आई नो द अबाउट दिस टर्म
अच्छा, you studied for your IT. I mean, you went for IT officer interview.
yes that time I was reviewed a little bit but that it was more of a technical than something like this questions I've got many questions on a technical basis.
अच्छा, they were asking more of technical questions.
Yes, the 12 question I've got. Out of that, I replied 8. Out of them, 6 to 7 were of technical and one was of like personal. Same
Oh,
thing.
personal questions, personal related questions. Good, good. I mean,
Yeah.
you did not get selected. Is it due to low marks in the main exam or low marks in the interview?
No, sir, I got selected. My document is verified there also.
You mean IT officer also you are selected?
Yes, sir.
Acha, which bank?
Sir, Bank of India, sir.
Oh, Baba, Bank of India. ओहो, आप उधर
Yes,
मत
sir.
जाओ, FCA में जाओ.
Sir, कोशिश वही है सर मेरा.
आजकल तो इतना बात चल रहा है ना, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में भी
हाँ सर.
प्राइवेटाइज्ड वगैरह वगैरह.
हाँ
इसकी
सर,
वजह से
15% कुछ बढ़ने वाला है सर. आपका हम ये देखे थे, वीडियो देखे थे जो आप बैंकिंग पे बनाए थे ना, 2.25 शायद वर्किंग बढ़ेगा, 15% सैलरी बढ़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ ट्वीट हुआ था ना सर.
pardon, banking salary wise, it is good. Is it?
कुछ
Huh? It is good.
नहीं सर, आप कुछ ट्वीट डाले थे, आप लाइक रिव्यू किए थे ना कोई ट्वीट को, बैंकिंग न्यूज़ का लेटेस्ट
Yeah.
वेजेस को रिगार्डिंग.
Yeah.
दैट व्हाट आई हैव सीन दैट.
So, अच्छा, आपका मन में क्या रखा है? Would you like to, supposing you get an offer from FCA first, will you join or not?
Yes, sir. I will go with the FCI. I'm settled in my mind. Like I want to do a like field
You will join
related
FCA
job.
AG3. You will join as
Yes,
AG3. Yeah. You will not
yeah,
go
yeah.
further.
That's all fine because I will. No, I will not go for bank, and I will work hard. Like, sir, my marks are good in FCI means, so I'm like preparing best for myself so that if my marks are good in means, I am in the first list. My name is in within the 10 to 12 rank. So I'm thinking of like if I give my best, then I will be select for sure.
Good.
Doesn't matter how many seats are there. I just need one.
या अच्छा, ये बात बताइए, आपको बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन हो गया?
हाँ सर, हो गया.
ओनली इंटरव्यू हुआ ना?
इंटरव्यू हो गया सर. उसके बाद एक इंटरव्यू होने का जब फाइनल रिजल्ट आने का एक डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन होता है ना सर, तो
वो
उसके
भी
लिए
हुआ?
लोग हमको बस एक हाँ हो गया सर. ईमेल आया था बस कि 4 ईयर का अपना बीटेक का एविडेंस दीजिए.
अच्छा, ओहो, उतना तक चला गया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आई विश
यस
यू
सर.
जॉइन एफसीआई ओनली, बिकॉज
यस सर.
the reason is you will get promoted here. Even otherwise, in this interview itself, if you can fare very well, I'm sure you can get selected. That means it's good. So one thing you have seen, almost all the people who have got selected for FCI are meritorious candidates. Either they have already got FCI AG or they are already working in some organization. In fact, I came
Yes,
across
yes.
a lady who is working as an officer in Union Bank or so, and she's a
Yes, sir.
chartered accountant. Yeah. So
Okay,
you
that's
have
nice.
lot of competition from people. But
Yes, sir.
this selection of a depot and all, FCI is doing it of its own, or you have opted for a depot?
No, so options are there. Like a person can go according to them. Like sir, in engineering, I wasn't eligible because the engineering there was civil electrical was there, and mine was computer science. So I was eligible in depot in general. In this kind of things, I was general. So just I
That is
approached
why
for
you tick
depot.
these things. That is why
Yes,
you
sir.
tick
And depot
depot.
is good, sir.
Depot is
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Very
Yeah.
excellent.
My seniors are there, sir. They have made me understood about these all things.
Really? तब तो बढ़िया है.
Yes,
उनसे
sir.
आप बात करके पूछ सकते हैं ना, डेपो में काम क्या है, क्या क्या करना है, पूछा है
हाँ
उनसे?
सर. हाँ सर, वो गाइड करते हैं कभी कभी, लेकिन डिपो में ऐसा रहता है कि रेलवे साइडिंग्स में जाता है जो जो ग्रेन्स को जब भेजा जाता है कोई स्टेट हेड को, तो कम से कम लॉस हो, इसलिए फ्रेट एंड कंटेनर वगैरह यूज किया जाता है. और कोई भी अगर मान लीजिए कहीं से जैसे सर्कुलर स्टेट से अगर ग्रेन प्रोक्योर किया जाता है, तो जैसा अकॉर्डिंग टीपीडीएस, और उस स्टेट में अगर मतलब जो बेनिफिशियरीज ज्यादा है तो वहीं पे पहले डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, फिर बाद में दूसरे स्टेट को जाएगा. ऐसे तो बताते कुछ कुछ बताया है.
कुछ कुछ
तो
बताया,
आई मीन
but
आई विल.
you can ask them more na. You can talk to them to get more details. Huh?
Sir, they are on the AG3 side. They haven't reached yet the manager.
They are on which
So
side?
AG3, sir.
AG3 साइड. अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. AG3 होने
Yeah,
से भी उन लोग का मैनेजर का रोल
knowledge
तो
है.
पता होगा ना.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर.
बिल्कुल पता होगा. सो इसमें से उनसे आप डिटेल से बात करके अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. गुड गुड,
जी
एक्सेलेंट.
सर.
Yeah, and
Yes.
if it is not very inconvenient, you talk to one of those guys and then give his number to me. I will talk separately to know more details about FCI. So once I
Yeah,
know,
sure,
it will
sir.
go to many others also. समझ गया?
Yes, sure, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
good, 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 excellent. You seem to be a man of resources. Good, that's really good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you are
Yes, sir.
already selected in FCI AG3, selected in Bank of India. I wish you get selected in this also. Now tell
I
me,
hope so. Yes, sir.
say, what are the possible hazards in this profession? What are the problems for FCI in this area? FCI, take FCI as a whole. From the point of view of FCI, उनका प्लस पॉइंट्स क्या है, नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स क्या है? प्लस पॉइंट्स बताइए पहले. What are the strengths of FCI?
So FCI का सबसे पहला स्ट्रेंथ तो ये है कि सर तो पूरा इंडिया में जैसा एनएफएसए के हिसाब से जो एक्ट 2013 का उस हिसाब से 81 पहले 80 करोड़ थे, अब 81.35 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन होगी जिनको सब्सिडीज मिलता है. तो एक अच्छा चीज है कि सबको सही समय पे उनको फ्री एटलीस्ट इस पैंडेमिक समय फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल रहा है और बाकी दूसरे सीजन्स में एटलीस्ट उनको बहुत ही रीजनेबल रेट्स ₹3 ₹2 में उनको व्हीट और ग्रेन प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. ये सबसे बेस्ट पॉइंट है. और इसका कॉन्स तो सर कुछ अभी तक हमको ऐसा लगा नहीं, सर कॉन्स नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट, मुझे जॉब नहीं लगता. इट्स अ नेशन सर्विस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. इट्स अ सर्विस
It's a
from
service. Good.
from my point of view.
Yeah.
It's from my point of view. It's a national service, and I want to join this thing personally. My on my side, I feel satisfaction when I interact with people, and I can if I help to the farmers or the mandis where I will visit as a depot manager, that will give me a great strength to me and it will give me a satisfaction. Yes, sir. This is the thing. Like
FCI का problem क्या है? What are the
so
problems?
FCI का प्रॉब्लम कुछ है नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये है सर लाइक हर स्टोरेज जितना सर डिपो है तो हर जगह पे सर ग्रेन्स खराब हो जा रहे हैं कुछ तो उसको
Good.
खराब होने से पहले सर हम लोग को
Good.
यूज में लेना चाहिए. लाइक सर जैसा अभी इंडिया एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि जो बहुत ही खराब ग्रेन्स हो गया उससे हम लोग सैनिटाइजर बनाएंगे.
Good.
तो जो
Now और भी
खराब हो
बोल
गया
सकते हैं.
उनको उससे
You can find out some more reasons also, like
yes sir.
fire hazards, theft, fire hazards,
theft, yes sir.
pilferage,
pilferage,
then floods,
flood, yes
floods.
sir. Snacks, insect, rodent उससे भी
Yeah.
होता है सर, खराब हो जाता है चावल.
You think about what are the other things that can be told, but for everything they are supposed to have taken measures to prevent them. For example, fire hazards के लिए fire that instruments they are supposed to have. They are supposed
Yes,
to
sir.
see that everything is kept properly. Regarding pest control also, they must have taken measures. So everything,
Yes,
there
sir.
are measures to prevent them. In spite of it, this will be there. Acha, have
Yes, sir.
you heard of a system where grains are stored in open?
Yes sir. हाँ sir, store होता है.
What is that? There is some terminology for that. In fact, I asked in one of the interviews to a guy because I was coming
Sir, it's
across.
cap.
Yeah, cap. Yeah, something like.
Covered in peanuts. It's a 9 feet length and 5 meter width, sir. And it's totally fully covered. Yes.
Correct. That is good. Fine. Right. Now, why should we select you?
So, from my side, I will give you a strong opinion for me. Like, I do have interpersonal skills and I do have a good experience, also like combination of experience in my past where I was leading a team from front side and coordinating and using my team members' strength in a correct way, in a creative manner. Like, I know like to whom what to assign. That's the main thing, to identify, to have a good communication and build a trust and a healthy relationship. And with this thing, the opportunities will be more for sure in the manager level. And with the more opportunities or responsibilities, I will create an opportunity for myself and I will give the best out of me.
Excellent. Good. Will you be going to the interview with this beard and all, or will you be having a clean shaven? Or do you prefer to
Sir,
be
no, sir. I usually prefer to keep beard more than this, but I will go for clean shave, sir, for sure. I
good?
never want to take a risk.
Yeah, yeah. Did you go for Bank of India interview? I mean, IT officer interview fully shaven or what?
Fully shaven, sir.
Yeah,
I
good.
never
But
compromise with this, sir.
very
With
good.
having a good iron clothes, everything should be neat and clean and fine with a good comb with the hair.
Excellent. Where are you exactly staying? Ranchi,
No, sir, Jamshedpur.
Jamshedpur. Good, good, good.
Tata
Excellent.
Steel, sir. Yeah,
Jamshed, Tatas.
yes.
Yeah, yeah. What is your father?
So my father works as a driver, sir,
He was a driver.
in Tata Steel.
He
Yeah,
is
he's in
working
Tata
as a
Steel.
driver. He is
Yeah.
working. Oh, how many siblings do you have?
So one younger brother is there.
I'm really happy he has been able to bring you up to this level. Of course, Tata's Steel's drivers also are well paid, but still
Yeah.
he has been able to put you to this level of education and you're shining very well. I wish
Yeah.
you best of luck. Do you have any questions? I
Yes,
have
sir. I do have one
I have
question.
absolutely no problem with you. I can easily select you. Um,
Yes, sir.
you will be getting come se come 8.5 to 9 out of 10.
No, sir. I have answered one or two questions wrong, sir. In that, like I've
Yeah, some
used
question.
both the points.
Yeah. Acha, do you have any questions at this stage? We will meet again. We will meet again. We will have a discussion like this some other
Yes, sir.
time
So
later.
I do have a simple question, sir. I want to ask, sir.
Yeah.
If like I'm sure, sir, I will tell this point. Like someone will ask, like, why should you select or why should you be a part of FCI? So then I will tell, like, it's not a job, it's a kind of nation service, and I want to be there as in service. Then if they will ask, then why don't you apply for UPSC? That's also service. Then what will you answer for it, sir?
Acha, acha. Why should you not apply for UPSC?
That's also a service, nation service.
Yeah, yeah.
Then why you not opting for that? So I want to know for that.
No, no. My inclination was only towards this line and not towards, say, uh, administration line. Of course, if you have to counter this, you have to tell a negative point that in administration you have lot of interference from the bosses for this, whereas in a field like this where we interact mainly with farmers and our job role
Yes,
is
sir,
well
exactly.
defined, it is easy. Yeah.
So I thought of like this answer, sir. Like in this position, I will be particularly focused to and I will be interacting with the farmers directly. But if in that services, uh, even an IS officer also, he will be not physically available every time to the farmers, and he will just coordinate with their junior level officers, and and how they will work. He won't know if they will not make notice.
In other words, you want to say the interaction with the common
Yes,
level
sir.
people is more here than in that
Yes,
one.
sir.
This is what you can say like this. But again, if they want to counter, they can always counter.
Yes, sir.
A
That's the
collector
thing.
is supposed to be more in touch with the people and through his subordinates, and he has a much
Yes,
larger
sir.
influence because you are not capable of holding bigger responsibilities. You are telling no for this. I am
Yeah,
countering it.
yeah. That's the thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So
I
I
can
was
counter
waiting
it
for
like
this
this, but
question only.
उतना उतना देरी सोच के किसी ने काउंटर करने का उम्मीद नहीं है.
नहीं
Yeah,
सर बेस्ट
yeah,
पॉसिबल वे सर बेटर टू बी प्रिपेयर
better
सर
be
इसीलिए
prepared.
बेस्ट इसलिए मैं आपको पूछे
Yeah,
इसलिए पूछे आपसे
good. Any other question you are expecting which you may have
नो
prepared?
सर आई जस्ट नीड टू वर्क हार्ड एंड आई विल डू वन थिंग सर दैट आई विल ping you in telegram or wherever you tell just send me the 4 PDF so that I will download and I will go through it the
Yeah,
manuals and everything.
I will post the link now in our Telegram. 72020 you become a member. That is actually for banking people, but उसमें FCI का videos and all I'll be posting. And there is one
Yes sir.
more Telegram channel, FCI Depot Manager. Are you a member of that?
No sir, I am not.
You are not a member of that. FCI you just search 1 minute. You just search what is that? FCI depot manager interview. Hello.
Sir, it's like I have been, sir, added in 4 to 5 groups of FCI, sir. It will not show, sir. So can you just do one thing? Like, can you just send me the link through WhatsApp, the Telegram one? I will join that.
I
Yeah,
will. I will give the Telegram
that will
link of
be,
mine. I
yeah,
will
that
send
will
it
be
to
great,
you.
sir. Yeah,
Yeah, you read the 4 books I have given, and if you
yeah, I will
have
do that for sure, sir.
some questions, you can post the questions through email or in Telegram itself. Kindly say Sambasivam sir, and please give the questions. I will prepare the answers, and also others can also prepare answers for them.
Sure, 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 sure,
Yeah,
sir. I
very
will
good.
do.
Any other things
Yeah.
you would like to ask? In fact, this is
No,
the,
sir, it
yeah,
was really nice, sir, to getting a question because I need to get prepared before that only. So I will be ready. Like how many different kind of questions can counter me on that side. So just I
yeah,
want to prepare myself.
yeah.
Yeah.
And did you go through this 40 questions I have given? No, no.
Y- Yes, sir. 44 question, right? For the
40
like
questions.
it's a yeah, management
Everything
kind of questions,
management.
right? I have
Everything
noted down, sir.
management.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir. I have noted down from
very good.
controlling, organizing,
Yeah.
laws of motivation,
अच्छा,
everything I have
ये
written
सबको
complete.
आंसर you don't have to search. It is not very difficult. जो बुक हमने अभी दे रहा हूँ, वो बुक का
हाँ,
अंदर में ही मिल जाता. I prepared
अच्छा
the
ठीक है, sir.
questions based on the
Yes,
points
sir.
prevented.
Those questions are very good, sir. On the management level basis, for sure, sir. From there, 2, 3 questions will be asked, I guess.
Definitely, yes. Yeah. So I will
Definitely, yes,
send
sir.
you the, yeah. I have given you the link. पहले आप member आ जाओ, and immediately I'll post the links also. You download them
Yes, sir.
and prepare. And anytime you want to talk to me, you can send message. We will talk like this.
Yes, sir, for sure.
Anything else you would
So,
like to uh,
no, sir. I would
ask?
just ask like whatever I told, like all over, all it around, it was normal, right, sir?
No, it was okay. I gave you 8.5 to 9. इससे ज़्यादा कैसे देगा?
नहीं नहीं सर, नहीं उतना नहीं, मतलब अंदर से हमको भी लगना चाहिए सर कि अच्छा अच्छा
No,
बोले
no.
इसीलिए.
अच्छा बोलते हैं. It's good. You are talking very well. How old are you?
So 27, 20, nearly 28 years, sir. Will be completed in this October 14th.
अच्छा 27 हो गया.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा थोड़ा स्टैंड अप करो. Good. Thank you. Sit down. No problem. Just
Yes, sir.
no, don't think I'm just
Nothing, sir. That's
seeing
all
your,
fine.
no, but you here it is okay. But you know what happened in our case of Bank of Maharashtra? They could
Yes,
not
sir.
arrange for interview because of the transport problems and all. They conducted an interview like this through WhatsApp.
Okay.
Supposing by
Sir, even the
chance they put you like that,
sir,
you try to present yourself properly.
yes, sir, I will do that. But sir, for the government organization also, sir, they are like going for the Zoom and this
Not Zoom, not
video.
Zoom. They went through WhatsApp. One lady got
I
selected
haven't
also.
listened.
One lady got selected
Oh,
also. WhatsApp. पहले तो
that's
उन लोग
nice, sir.
बोला था WhatsApp से आपको इंटरव्यू होगा. इन्होंने सोचा
Yes, sir.
खाली आवाज इंटरव्यू. But they came on video, and this girl was put on shock. अरे बाबा, she was not ready. Like she was not fully dressed up also.
Yes, sir.
So ऐसा नहीं
Yeah,
होना
yeah.
चाहिए. Be prepared for that. ठीक
No,
है?
sir. Yes, I will do. Yes, sir.
Good.
I'm too serious about it, sir. I will do
Best
best.
wishes. Thank you.
Thank,
I will
thank you,
put
sir.
this.
Thank you for your
Yeah, I will put this
suggestion. Thank
video in YouTube and also give in our channel. You can also see that. Okay.
you. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. You are doing very well. There is no
Thank you, sir.
absolutely no problem for you. You are answering with confidence.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but only thing is, from my point of view, थोड़ा air and all अच्छा होने से अच्छा.
नहीं सर, अभी एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन चल रहा है ना, सारा बार्बर शॉप बंद है सर, कि
I
जाना
know
तो है
barber
सर,
shop.
बिना
Correct.
कैसे होगा. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
You are done well.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Bye, sir.